Did you know that over 60% of engine wear happens in the first few seconds after startup? Not from long road trips. Not from high speeds. From the small mistakes you make every single morning. What you do in those first 30 seconds decides if your engine lasts 100,000 miles or 500,000 miles. Today I'm exposing 11 startup mistakes silently destroying your engine right now. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe now. I cover real car tips that save you serious money. Mistake 1. Revving the engine immediately. You start the car. You stomp the gas. Sounds powerful. Feels good. It's destroying your engine. When your engine first starts, the oil is cold. It hasn't circulated yet. That means your pistons, valves, and bearings are all moving against each other with almost zero lubrication. Revving at that moment creates extreme friction. It scars cylinder walls. It shortens engine life dramatically. The fix is simple. Let the car idle for at least 30 seconds before giving it any gas. That's all it takes. 30 seconds of patience saves you thousands in repairs. Number 2. Ignoring warning lights at startup. Every driver has done this. The dashboard lights up when you start the car and you just drive off. Those lights are not decoration. They are a built-in system check. Every warning light should briefly illuminate at startup and then go off. If one stays on, that is your car telling you something is wrong right now. Low oil pressure is the dangerous one. Drive with no oil pressure for just a few miles and your engine seizes completely. That repair bill can reach thousands of dollars. Take 2 seconds. Glance at the dashboard. Every single time. Mistake 3. Starting with accessories on. Lights on. Radio blasting. AC already running. You turn the key. The starter motor is already pulling a massive surge of electricity from your battery. Adding your headlights, AC, and sound system on top of that puts unnecessary strain on both the battery and alternator. Your engine doesn't die from this instantly, but your battery weakens faster. Your alternator wears out sooner. And when those fail, your engine starts rough. Misfires happen. Wear accelerates. Before you start the car, switch everything off. Simple habit. Big difference. Mistake 4. Holding the key too long. The engine doesn't catch right away, so you hold the key a little longer. Just to be sure. Every second you hold it past ignition, the starter motor keeps grinding against the flywheel. It shakes the engine. It stresses the mounts and bearings. It damages starter teeth. Replace a starter once and you'll feel it in your wallet. The right move is simple. Turn the key just until the engine fires. Then release immediately. 4 push-button cars, 1 press is enough. The system handles the rest. If this is already eye-opening, drop a thumbs up right now. It helps more drivers find this video before they make these mistakes. Mistake 5. Pressing the gas while starting. Old school drivers pumped the gas pedal while starting the car. In the carburetor days that made sense. Today it does real damage. Modern engines use fuel injection. When you press the gas during startup, you dump extra fuel into the combustion chamber. The mixture goes too rich. That excess fuel washes away the protective oil layer on your cylinder walls. Harder starts. Faster wear. Sometimes a flooded engine. Keep your foot completely off the gas. Let the computer handle it. It knows exactly what the engine needs. Mistake 6. Constant short trips. Start the car. Drive 5 minutes. Park. Repeat all day. Your engine never reaches proper operating temperature. Moisture and unburned fuel stay trapped inside the oil and exhaust system. Over time that creates sludge buildup, rust in the exhaust, and oil that breaks down way faster than it should. The solution is easy. Combine your errands into one longer trip. Or once in a while, take the car for a proper 20 to 30 minute drive and let everything burn clean. Your engine will thank you. Mistake 7. Cranking the engine. Repeatedly when it won't start. It won't start. So you try again. And again. And again. Every crank dumps more unburned fuel into the cylinders. That fuel washes away the oil film protecting the metal. It floods the spark plugs. It overheats the starter motor. It drains the battery fast. A mechanic once said it perfectly. If it doesn't start in 3 tries, you're not fixing it. You're breaking it. Give it a pause. Figure out the real problem. Cranking endlessly makes everything worse. Mistake number 8. With a wheel fully turned. This one almost nobody talks about. When you start the car with the steering wheel cranked all the way to one side, the power steering pump is under maximum pressure at the exact moment your engine is at its weakest. That heavy load drags on the engine before the oil has even circulated properly. Over time it wears out your power steering pump, weakens the serpentine belt, and causes leaks in hoses and seals. Always start with the wheel straight. Then turn once the engine has settled. One small adjustment. Big long-term savings. Know someone who makes these mistakes every morning? Share this video with them before their engine pays the price. Mistake number 9. Starting with old or thin engine oil. Old oil is a silent engine killer. When oil loses its thickness, it can't form a protective film between metal parts. During startup, your pistons, valves, and bearings are grinding against each other with almost nothing in between. Old dirty oil also carries sludge and particles that act like sandpaper inside your engine. Keep starting with bad oil and you will notice noisy startups, faster wear, and an engine that ages years before it should. Stick to your oil change schedule. Use the correct viscosity. It is the cheapest insurance you will ever buy for your engine. Mistake 10. Starting a manual car in gear. For manual drivers, this one is dangerous. Starting the car while it's still in gear can cause it to lurch forward or backward instantly. But beyond the safety risk, it also puts huge strain on the starter motor and the clutch. That sudden jolt forces the engine to fight against the wheels. Over time it weakens the clutch plate, damages the transmission, and can crack engine mounts. Always press the clutch fully before starting. Every single time. Mistake 11. Starting with a weak battery. This is the biggest one and most drivers completely overlook it. When your battery is dying, the starter motor struggles. The engine cranks slowly and unevenly. Combustion is incomplete. Raw fuel gets into the exhaust. The starter itself takes extra abuse. Do this enough times and you end up with fouled spark plugs, heavy carbon buildup, and a worn-out starter. All from one dying battery. This is not just an electrical problem. It directly damages your engine. If your car is slow to start, don't wait. Get the battery tested or replaced now, before it takes down everything else with it. 11 startup mistakes. Every single one happening silently, every single morning in driveways around the world. The engine doesn't die from one big moment. It dies from small daily habits that slowly chip away at its life. But now you know. And knowing is the difference between an engine that lasts 100,000 miles and one that lasts 500,000. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been making without realizing it? Be honest in the comments. You might be surprised how many other drivers are in the same boat. And if you want more tips that keep your car running and your money in your pocket, subscribe right now. The next video is packed with more secrets your mechanic hopes you never find out.